Welcome, Tigers. My name is Sarah Foley, and I'm a registered dietitian here at the University of Memphis. I work within the College of Health Sciences, teaching dietetic students and interns as they prepare to become future healthcare providers. Today, a couple of our interns are going to demonstrate how to make a delicious fall-themed smoothie. This recipe has been featured in the college's Healthy Teaching Kitchen and previously created and prepared by our graduate assistant, Miss Lauren Fisher. So grab your blender and let's get started.
Hello everyone, my name is Mary Langley Montague and I am currently a graduate student here at University of Memphis College of Health Sciences. Today I'm going to go over all the ingredients that are in an awesome autumn apple smoothie recipe that'll be great for this fall weather we've been having. So first you're going to start with 1 1/4 cups of unsweetened almond milk. You can also use other type of milks like unsweetened vanilla almond milk, soy milk, or even regular milk, totally up to preference. Next you're going to want to do 1 banana that has been peeled and frozen, preferably overnight. I usually like to take my older bananas or bananas that have started to brown and just put them all in one bag, stick them in the freezer. Great for on the go when you're trying to make that quick smoothie recipe. Next, you're going to want 1 medium apple that has been sliced and frozen. Apples are in season right now, so the price in the grocery store is going to be lower than the rest of the year, which is great. They're also high in fiber and vitamin C, which is going to boost your immunity during the sick season that we're in right now. Then you're going to want 1 tablespoon of peanut butter that has been that's unsalted peanut butter. I've also seen people use PB Fit. This is going to give you your fiber, your protein, and your healthy fats in your smoothie. And then last, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, which is going to give it that awesome autumn, warm fall flavor in our smoothie. And then just for an option, you can also put in whey protein or pea protein like we have here, just 1 scoop or whatever the serving size is. That's just going to give it more protein in your smoothie and keep you fuller longer. So now that we've seen everything that's in our smoothie, let's make it.
Thank you for joining us here at the College of Health Sciences. We hope you enjoyed the delicious autumn apple smoothie. And until next time, take care and go Tigers.